I'm here today to review the new M5 Apple MacBook Air. So this released on the 11th of March 2026. So it's only been over a week since it released to the public. So I've had this for a couple of days now. So yeah, it's brand new. So I'm just going to review it. My initial thoughts of how I found it the past few days. So specifications wise, this MacBook is 13 inches, so it's proper light, kind of small, just so it's like good for like portable, for travel purposes. So this one is, the base storage SSD is 512 GB, so that's like the standard for the new MacBooks these days, that's the minimum. The unified storage, or the RAM, is 24 GB for this. Base storage was 16 GB, so I upgraded it to 24. That's an extra £200. The base price for this is £1,099, so add a £200 onto that for 24 GB. And there's also, so this one's 10 core GPU and 10 core CPU. So there's 8 core, which is the standard, so I upgraded that to 10 core. For the GPU, and what I mean by 10 core is, so this is the M5 chip, the silicon chip. There's 10 units on that single chip. That's what it means by 10 core, 8 core. So yeah, the quicker. It's more efficient, more quicker, more better. The more core it is. So the Pro version has like 15 core or something like that. It's like high up there. So this is 10 core. So for the upgrade to 10 core, that's £200 as well. So I've added £400 onto 1,000 already. Yeah, and as you know, most Apple products, they don't have many connections, like MacBooks don't have connections on the corner. So this one's got the headphone jack, 2 USB-C Thunderbolt connections, and the MagSafe charger connection. So with this box itself, all you get is the laptop and the cable. So the cable is the MagSafe 3 connection for the charger and the USB-C. So you will have to buy the charger, the actual adapter yourself. So this one's a 70 volt one, the high end one. So this was £60 to buy this, so you'll have to buy this separately. And yeah, so yeah, you only get the cable and the laptop. And I bought this as well, so this is a dongle, so you'll need that for like extra monitors, add SD cards, stuff like that, and more connections like USB connections. So yeah, first thoughts, it's actually really brilliant, because I've had a really bad laptop for the past 6 years, the HP Pavilion. So this one's proper quick. So I bought this for some editing that I'm going to do. So it's like proper quick, proper good. So I've had no issues with it. Obviously it's brand new. But yeah, so this is all you get. So the box, you get just the cable and laptop. So these you have to buy separately. So these two are required if you want to do, like, obviously you need the charger. This one you'll need it for other connections. But yeah, I think it's worth it for a laptop like this. M5, brand new. It's perfect for editing. If you're gonna do, like, if you can use softwares like that takes a lot of processing, you'll definitely need a laptop like this with a lot of RAM, with a lot of unified memory, and it's got the high-end GPU core, CPU core as well, 10 core. Yeah, and I'll show you how it works in a bit. So I just wanted to show you guys how the inside of it looks. So obviously iOS operating system is totally different to Windows, so this is the first time actually using iOS, like, on MacBook, so I'm just getting used to it. It's totally new to me, so I've had no issues with it. Everything's proper smooth, no issues. It works seamlessly with your iPhone, so everything just connects really well with the iPhone. So like everything's proper quick if you've got an iPhone. So it's just calendar, everything just loads quickly. So this is just an editing software that I use. proper quick now. So I was just checking it out with a 10-year-old footage, like a really old footage, and I've had no issues with it. On Windows, this keeps crashing, so it just shows how well the processing is. Everything, I've had no issues with it. That's just me and my brother 15 years ago. But yeah, this is everything. I've had no issues with it. It's just proper smooth, no issues. But yeah, it's just no issues. It's just really good so far. Obviously, it's brand new, but because it's 10-core GPU and 24 RAM, 24 GB unified storage, you can tell how smooth it is, how efficient it is. So yeah, one recommendation is when you're buying a MacBook or any laptop is you should buy a high-end unified storage, or should I say RAM if you're using Windows. Higher the better. The base standard one usually it's good, but after a few years it will get slow. Storage wise, 512 GB is the standard these days with laptops, but you can always get a hard drive like I have for extra storage. So that's not a big issue, but 512 is the standard these days. But yeah, I would recommend this laptop, this MacBook. Obviously in September the new release will be coming. I'm not sure if it's going to be the M6 chip, but there will be one coming that soon, so either wait till September for the next one, or you have this new release that came a week ago. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this laptop, this MacBook, to people who are editing, etc., and using it for like software-based tools, stuff like that. Yeah. So thank you for watching. Hope you've had some insight into this new release by Apple. Yeah. So thank you.